So, so I think what I try to talk more about. Let's not see coding as a one separate skill. But suppose if kids are playing a puzzle, so there also kids are doing a number of thinking activities, and it's a very engaging process. So I think how puzzles are a tool, coding is also a tool to build those 21st century skills. So as puzzles, we could started from as low grades as possible. So I think coding or teaching the concepts of coding can also be started from very lower grades in very different way. So there is a I have seen there are certain activities of maze which I shared. So it could be done with kids who are in pre-K, or who are in senior KG. So they can start doing it. Uh, so singing rhymes in a particular sequence, where they could make their own rhymes, and having that sequential thinking that would later on help them to write codes. So I think those activities could be done in pre-K. So I feel that coding should not be seen in a way where you have a computer and you have an app, and where you are doing some writing some magical codes. But these are certain thinking activities which could be started from the lower grades. Now how to balance it with the other activities, I think that's the that that's more about how parents or the teachers want to design their classroom. So for me, because I like coding a lot, there would be there would be a chunk of the time in the whole week I would spend on doing. We used to make songs like peel a banana and chop the banana and eat the banana, and that's how we used to write codes for it. So those were codes for a robot to eat a banana. So in that way, my whole class in English and math and other things coding would be a big part of it. But then I would spend certain activities on theater as well, and doing art as well. So it depends on the parent and teacher that uh, what they are comfortable more. And however, every in the whole week, at least 60 minutes or 45 minutes of time which is being given to develop thinking using the tools which I have shared would be really meaningful for the kids to have them an understanding and identify are this do they want to pursue it more or not in future, and how today they can start using those skills to make the world a better place.